Welcome to the Secret Sauce of Outsourcing podcast that's dedicated to making you better at working with online Filipino specialists, OFS. This is episode 252. Write and upload that job post today. Okay, so you want to hire an OFS, or maybe even you want to hire a VA, like a virtual assistant, someone who's not super specialized. But you've been putting it off because you're afraid, you don't know how, you don't know if you'll do things right, you don't know if you'll find someone who's good or someone you can trust or someone that is going to show up. There's one thing that you can do to help you get over all of these fears and help you learn how to hire someone faster. That is write and post a job today. Just do it. It's not hard. It's kind of like writing an email. You can write your job post from scratch and describe as if you were writing to a friend saying, hey, I'm looking for someone who can do this. Or you can use one of our job post templates, vajobposttemplates.com. Your job post doesn't have to be perfect. As soon as you write it, it's done. Just post it. It doesn't need to be amazing or have every description in it. So when you go to post it at Onlinejobs.ph, you can post it for free. Set up your account, name, email, password, that's it. And then post your job. Here's the real magic of this. When you post your job, it gets the ball rolling. Like you start getting job applicants. If you find, I can't deal with this, I'm too busy to deal with this. Well, okay, then you don't deal with it. You don't need to read the job applications. You can just walk away. That's the worst case scenario, is nothing happens. A better case scenario is you start to realize, oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch of people here who are really qualified for my job, and now I should interview them. And you start to send them emails and interview them through email and ask them questions, and you're going to get a whole bunch of really good responses. You're going to get some crappy responses. You're just going to discard those people, and it's not going to take you that long. And if you want my help in walking you through this process of not taking very long, actually, that's why I created onevaaway.com. It's my process. You should be able to buy One VA Away, go through the process, post your job, do your interviewing, all in 2 to 3 hours total. So from watching my videos to posting your job, start to finish, hiring someone in 2 to 3 hours of total time yours. This isn't like a multi-month process. This isn't hundreds of hours. I had someone once tell me, man, we've spent hundreds of hours doing this and we still haven't found the right person. I'm like, dude, you're doing this wrong. This should not take you hours and hours and hours. It should take you maybe 2 to 3 hours. In fact, I hired 2 people last week and it probably took me a total of, 45, 50 minutes of total time from write the job post to interview people to decide who to hire. It just wasn't that hard. And these were really highly talented front-end React JavaScript developers. So let me go for a second back to your fear. What's the worst thing that could happen if you post your job? You get no responses? Okay. Or maybe you get 200 responses. That's probably worse than getting no responses and getting 200 because that's too much to handle. But in either case, something's not right. You can edit your job. You edit your job post, or you just edit it and post it again, and you get different responses. And it becomes really easy to see, okay, this is working and this is not. So now let me give you some specific advice. Did you need more responses? Well, maybe the salary was too low, or maybe you listed too many skills and people are all worried that they don't have all those skills. Or maybe it's too specific in the things that you want them to do. Edit the job post and post it again. So maybe you're not getting the quality of job seekers you want, or you're just getting copy and paste applications. Maybe your job post isn't specific enough, or maybe you didn't put any instructions that can help you weed out the unqualified people. I always make people make the title of their application, my job post role, that whatever my text is, dash your name. I want them to do something specific in the job post. Anybody who doesn't follow my instructions for the subject of the application, I don't read it. I don't open it. It's super simple to weed those people out. Or maybe if you didn't get qualified or enough applicants, maybe the timing was just off. Edit your job post and post it again. It's just not that hard. And in fact, I did this last week. I got 5 or 6 applicants the first time. And so I reposted the job and I got 20 applicants. And I actually got quite a bit better applicants the second time. I don't know why. Sometimes the timing just isn't exactly right. But I got some really, really good people the second time. Want some help? Check out onevaaway.com, where I will walk you through the process. Posting the job is the hardest part because it seems daunting. As it turns out, it's super easy and it really gets your momentum towards hiring someone. It's the start of that process. It's so easy and it's free. Onlinejobs.ph.